Good morning and welcome to another full day of eating. I honestly love filming these videos, so I hope you guys enjoy them, but today is just a rest day for me. I actually kind of hurt my back the other day, so I'm not really lifting, but I'm still doing 75 hard, so I still have to do 2 workouts, so it's literally just me walking, doing my cardio. And I'm also taking a little bit of a diet break right now, just for like 1 or 2 weeks. So my calories are a little bit higher than they were, which we love. We're sitting around a little less than 2,000, which is more than I was eating for sure. So it's still not a ton of food, but definitely more than I was eating. So I'm excited to show y'all my foods. I'm about to go do my first workout. I'm just doing cardio, so I'm not going to eat before. But I'm sipping on First Form energy drink. This flavor is Citrus Blast, and it's honestly so good. I'm gonna make my creamy really quickly, and then we'll go to the gym. We're gonna do 150 milliliters of Fairlife milk. We did 150 milliliters of Fairlife milk, and then we're gonna do 250 of almond milk. And then we're gonna do 15 grams of pumpkin spice protein powder from First Form. Now we're doing 100 grams of pumpkin puree. Also, I know that it's literally, March, but I still have pumpkin left, so we're using it. Then we're gonna do some cinnamon and pumpkin pie spice. Some salt. And then we're gonna use cream cheese extract. I literally just ordered this off of Amazon. I don't know why I said literally, but I'm gonna do just a tiny bit of stevia, just for some extra sweetness. I have a major sweet tooth, so this at night is just the best thing ever. We're doing 7 grams. Okay, I don't know why my cabinet is open. I just got back from the gym. I just went to my apartment gym and did some cardio, did a little bit of my shoulder mobility stuff, and now I'm gonna make some breakfast. I'm gonna make some oats. Since my carbs are a little bit higher, I've been having my oats again and I missed them so much, so I'm so excited. Are you even? I can't tell. We're gonna do 60 grams of oats. Okay, so I just put these in the microwave for 2 minutes and now I'm using First Form's protein powder. I do just want to say a little caveat. I normally don't like to do 2 servings of protein powder in a day, but I know I did put 15 grams in my creamy, which is like less than half a serving. So yeah, I just wanted to say that. So normally I only use 1 scoop, but I'm using a little bit more today, so it's fine. Himalayan pink salt. And then I'm just using this almond butter from Costco. I like it because it's just natural. The only ingredient is roasted almonds. So we're just gonna do 1 serving of this. And there you have it. It's not aesthetic at all or anything, but it tastes freaking fire, and it's just makes me super happy, and it honestly just fills me up a ton and tastes good. You got your carbs, fats, proteins, all the things. So I will have a kiwi after this as well to get some fiber in, get my micronutrients, and that's my breakfast. sun maybe. It's so nice. It's like 72 here in Texas, so I obviously had to use that. So I obviously had to take advantage of that, but I just made this salad for lunch. It looks so freaking good. Y'all saw it. That little chopper thing is so nice, and I made this like super quickly. And then this is a smoked ham that my stepdad smoked, and I stole it from them. Well, they gave it to me when I was back in Dallas, but anyways, I try not to have like processed lunch meat, so this is like an actual ham and it's not super processed. So anyways, that's my lunch, and I used this Green Goddess dressing from Trader Joe's, which is so good. The ingredients are literally just avocado, green onion, lemon juice, chives, basil, and a little bit of olive oil. So really, really good ingredients and super yummy. Snack time. So I'm just making, I've been having this snack every day except for today I'm having it a little bit differently. I've been having caramel rice cakes with cottage cheese and it's so good. But today we're doing some yogurt and I'm using this Too Good Greek yogurt. I don't know why that took me so long to say. It's just vanilla yogurt and it's really good. So we're just gonna put it on 2 rice cakes. Find something good in every day. So it's about 3:15 right now. I have one more work call and then I'm gonna do my outdoor workout and then we need to run to the grocery store because I want to go to Sam's Club and it's always so busy on the weekends, and so I want to get it done today. And I had a lighter work day today, so I'm very excited for the weekend. It's been a long week, which is crazy because I was traveling on Monday, and so normally like I thought this week would go by fast. I mean, it did go by fast, but it was just like really, really busy, which is good. We love busy because when I'm not busy, that means work isn't going well, and we don't love that. So that's my snack. So easy and so delicious. And I'm also just gonna eat the rest of this yogurt. Sometimes I won't even get a bowl. I'll just like put the thing on the scale, eat it out. Not even gonna lie to y'all, I live alone. I can do that. But I say I live alone because no one else is eating out of this.
And then these jeans are.
We got this beautiful stir fry for dinner. I just threw a bunch of like ingredients on the pan y'all saw and cooked this up. It didn't take me too long, and then I made 4 servings and then just split it into 4. So I'll have that for dinners for the next few nights, but it's honestly so good and it was super, super easy, so. It's so hot. I was like, sometimes I get so overstimulated when I'm cooking. Like, I don't know, I just felt like I was like doing 2 million things at once. And I also try and clean while I cook because I hate when it's messy. And then it ends up just taking me way too long. And I just get so overstimulated. I don't know why, but anyways, this was like not complicated, but I kind of made it complicated, but it's fine. It tastes fire. So I'm gonna eat this, and then I have popcorn and my creamy that I get to eat, and it's a Friday night and I'm just gonna have a chill night at home. Probably gonna edit this, maybe watch a movie, so we'll see.
I'm the TurboTax expert because I had 2 full-time jobs.
I'll file your taxes for you 100%.
Can we just take a moment? This consistency? Wow, I look like a hot mess, but of course we're ending the night with my creamy, which y'all saw me make this morning. So let's do a taste test. So good. Seriously, the Ninja Creamy is the best thing that ever happened to me. That's a little dramatic, but also mine broke and they literally sent me a whole new one. So shout out to Ninja Creamy because you're a real one. I hope you guys enjoyed this full day of eating. I definitely want to do more of these, especially when I go back into my cut to show y'all my dieting foods. Today's day of eating was pretty typical for me. It was kind of random with like, I don't normally have popcorn and a creamy and like a bunch of snacks, but just with more food, I'm just kind of having fun with it. And sometimes it's different, like on Fridays and stuff, just depending on what I'm doing. But obviously I'm not doing anything tonight, so it was nice to just like have some snacks. But anyways, I hope y'all enjoyed and I will catch you guys in the next video.